Welcome, beautiful soul. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allow the outside world to fade as you gently turn inward. You are safe. You are supported. You are surrounded by light. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a serene, sacred space. Perhaps it's a quiet forest at twilight, or a glowing crystal cave beneath the earth. Feel the calm settle into your body, like warm sunlight touching your skin. Let the breath guide you deeper now. Inhale peace. Exhale anything heavy. Now picture yourself standing in the center of this peaceful sanctuary. Around you, the air shimmers with golden light. This is your inner temple, your energetic safe zone. In front of you appears a glowing orb, your own energy field, radiant and vibrant. But now, notice some threads extending out from your body, like cords of energy. Some are thin, others thick. Some are filled with love. Others feel heavy, draining, or outdated. These are energetic cords, ties to people, places, past experiences, or situations that may no longer serve your highest good. And today, you're going to release them with love and call all your power back home. Now imagine a beautiful, benevolent being of light appearing behind you. This could be your higher self, an angel, a guide, or simply source energy. You feel their warm presence supporting you. They place a hand gently on your shoulder. You are not alone in this. Now see a beam of brilliant violet light descending from above, encircling your entire body, a protective column of cleansing light. It dissolves fear, it cuts illusion, it amplifies truth and empowerment. Turn your attention to the cords again. You don't need to analyze or label them, just notice. Trust what you feel. One by one, bring awareness to a cord that feels heavy. With compassion, say silently or aloud, "Thank you for the lessons. Thank you for the connection. I now release you with love. I call my energy back. I am free." And with that, imagine a gentle but powerful golden sword of light appearing in your hand. With clarity and love, raise the sword and cut the cord cleanly. As it falls away, you see the light immediately filling the space where it once was. Your energy returning to you, your aura expanding. your power coming home. Continue the process for any remaining cords. Release, reclaim, restore. Now stand tall in your sanctuary. Feel yourself shining even brighter. You are lighter, stronger, whole. Say silently or aloud, I call my power back from every person, place, and timeline. I call it back cleansed, cleared, and fully mine. I stand in my sovereignty. I am whole. I am free. I am light. Breathe that in. Let it anchor in every cell of your being. Now place your hands over your heart. Feel it beating with strength and grace. Feel gratitude for your courage, for releasing what no longer serves you, and honoring your divine energy. Visualize roots growing from your feet into the earth, grounding you deeply, safely, lovingly. Take one last deep breath in. And as you exhale, smile gently. You are free. You are whole. You are home. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. And so it is.